This is the best AI coding IDE tier list for 2025. First, we have Cursor. Cursor will go in God tier. It is the best AI IDE out there in terms of speed, code completion, model support. Everything is best in Cursor. Then we have Trey. Trey I'll put in elite tier. The reason is very simple because it is a great free alternative. It lacks some AI features, which is there in Cursor or Windsurf, but it is a great free AI tool. Then we have Z. I'll put Z in noob tier. Z is great for performance. It is really good in performance, but the issue is that it lacks so many AI features. Then we have Windsurf. I think Windsurf should also go in God tier. The reason is that it is the best user-friendly or beginner-friendly AI coding IDE. It has good code completion, great UI, great VS Code integration, so many model support. When you compare Cursor and Windsurf, Cursor is a little bit better, but you have to know that Windsurf is $5 cheaper per month. So I think in all, when it comes to package, Cursor is better uh, when compared to Windsurf, but Windsurf has to go in God tier because it's really good. Uh, then we have Klein. I'll put Klein in Pro tier. It provides open source flexibility with model context and also user provided API keys. But whenever I use Klein, it induces lot of cost anxiety. So for this reason, I'm putting in Pro tier. So this is the tier list for the best AI coding IDE. Let me know how you feel. Do you agree with the list or you disagree? And also please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for your time.